Guys, I'm hanging out in Clay's chair because Clay had to go run an errand. But while I'm here, I wanted to tell you about a movie that I have seen recently. It's called Just This Once, and it's with Peter Lawford and Janet Leigh. It's an oldie, but it's fun. It's a romantic comedy. And this movie is about a millionaire playboy that can't control his spending. So a lawyer, it's a girl, her name is Lucy, is hired to curb his spending and to put him on an allowance. Well, he just doesn't behave. And since she is signed up, so to speak, to be his guardian because she got hired and she was a lawyer, he decides that he's going to move in with her. Now, meanwhile, she's engaged to somebody else, and it just is a fun movie. I think you'll like it. Of course, you know that Peter Lawford is going to fall in love with Janet Leigh, and it's going to be a fun movie. But if you like old movies, you'll enjoy that one. And it's free on YouTube. And check it out. I liked it on my rating system. I don't know. I'd say a 4 or 5. It was a pretty good movie. I enjoyed it. So, meaning 5 being the highest. So, if you like romantic old comedies, check out that one, Just This Once. And we'll see you in the next video. God bless.